I had a right full hip replacement on my right side, anterior approach. Prior to the experience, it was horrible. I had no quality of life. I was in great pain. I had a limp. I was very limited on what I could do. Couldn't go on hikes, couldn't go on long walks, couldn't climb upstairs. So yes, I was in a great deal of pain and very limited to what I could do. The surgery itself exceeded my expectations more than I could ever think of. I was terrified to have the surgery. So afterwards, I was first of all shocked when I came out of surgery that I was not in excruciating pain. It was just immediate. Um, I was able to get up and walk. I was able to start doing things that I had not been able to do in years right after the surgery. And then once I started healing, doing more physical therapy, exercising, I was just amazed at how easy things started coming to me. The limp went away. I was able to start walking. But most of all, the pain was gone. It was immediately gone. My surgery was a year ago, actually this month, and it feels like I never had a problem. I'm totally back to what I consider normal. I'm walking, I'm hiking, I'm doing things that I couldn't do for years. The hardest part was making the decision to have the surgery. I actually searched and did a lot of research for 2 years before I decided to have the surgery. I went to get a lot of opinions, I did a lot of research, and I was so thankful that I found Dr. Jamali because when I came in, Dr. Jamali and his staff just made me feel incredibly comfortable. I saw a lot of other doctors. I didn't feel pressured here. I didn't feel that I had to do the surgery. All of my questions were answered. I was able to walk away with a lot of information and able to make that decision on my own. And he was just very, very unique from the other doctors that I've seen. Well, the whole experience would have to be the aftermath now, which is having my quality of life back and being able to do simple things. I can hike now, I can run upstairs, I can do all the things that I couldn't do prior to this surgery. And I'm just so thankful to Dr. Jamali and his staff for that because I really feel like I got my life back. Just the fact that, as I stated, it took me 2 years to find the right doctor. Anyone that sees Dr. Jamali will know immediately that they're in good hands. As I said, Dr. Jamali, in my opinion, is a miracle worker. I've known other people that have had hip replacements. They have not had the success that I have. They have had other problems and issues, I guess. But I just want anyone to know that who is looking for the right doctor, Dr. Jamali is it. He and his staff, as I said, have just changed my life.